It's leaking.
Oh shit!
It's leaking on the...
Bro, it's leaking everywhere. Yo! Look at that flame!
Oh,
Shit! Oh shit! Got a fucking engine fire! This is a bad idea.
don't hold it from me.
Bro, the plastic! Ah! You fuck. That's such a bad idea. Oh my God.
Why would you do that?
I don't know.